Hey guys, last episode I left off with this right here, and this is okra plant, but I don't remember when I planted it. I think it's about 2 months, maybe more, but I was looking up and they say when yellow flowers start to bloom, after that you're gonna see the okra start to come out. So I'm looking every day, but it's getting tall and nothing happened yet. So let's see. Ooh, if you look here, it's a little watermelon coming up there too. I got all kind of stuff in this thing. But I think we're gonna get a good harvest when it starts. And they say usually take what? 3 months? I don't know. But what I gotta start to do is when I plant these things, write them down to see exactly how long it takes. So that's what happened, guys. So let's see what happened. I'll take you guys to my lemon tree. This lemon tree right here is the second lemon tree that I planted. The problem was, the first one, I bought it from Home Depot, and I put it down here, and it take maybe about a good 2 years before I started getting any lemon. I got maybe 2. Then after that, it started to shoot up for after next, like I was saying, 2 years after that, it started to produce a different lemon. So when I looked, it was the size of an orange, and I asked my wife friend, what happened to my lemon tree? She said it's some engrafting that they do, I think from the Asian, they plant they said near Meyer lemon or something like that, and it's changed the whole thing. It looked like an orange and it tastes like crap. So I got to cut it down. It was sweet. I would say not that sweet, in between lemon and an orange. So I get rid of that. This one is from Costco. Mm-hmm. The first one is from Home Depot.
Okay.
So then let's go over to...
Wait, tell them how many lemons you get off of it already. First year, how much?
2.
2? Next year, 1.
1.
We're going backwards. So this year, how much would you say?
This year, I see about maybe 12, maybe 15 this year.
Amazing.
You know, when I go around and check, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got some other 9. And you come right here. I see 9 so far. 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah, 13, 14, 15. I gotta see 15. I might got more.
And we use a lot of lemon in this household.
Yeah, not bad at all.
We use at least 2 lemons a day, right?
Right. And what I like to do with the lemon, I get up in the morning, take a warm glass of water, squeeze half a lemon in and drink it. It's good for your digestive system and help you. And over here is my orange tree. I bought this orange tree from Home Depot the same time that I bought the bad lemon, what I would say, bad lemon.
Meyer lemon.
Meyer lemon. So this one, the first year we get about what? 2?
Mm-hmm.
And now we get...
Every year we get a good 50.
Every year we get like maybe 25, 30, 40, 50, who knows?
No, we get close to 50 every year now. Joshua counts them.
So and it's
good.
And it's how you call it? Pink inside, what you call it?
Red? The
pink,
red one?
Pink. Is it red? No, it's pink.
But what do they call it? Blood.
No, it's
blood.
Not blood.
It's not blood? It's not blood orange?
No, blood orange is red.
Oh, so it's like, I don't know what it is then. Navel orange?
Navy orange.
Okay.
And we're gonna get bigger. This is about, if you look at this is about half the size right here. You're gonna get bigger than that.
But this won't be ready until Christmas time.
Christmas, January, between that time there.
Between
August.
1 or 2 will be ready around Thanksgiving.
Yeah, but you can wait till January when it's really ripe and nice and sweet.
And it only produces once a year.
Yeah, once a year.
Okay, so you're gonna clean up on these in the next episode?
I gotta clean up underneath here, but my weed whacker went out, so I gotta use my machete. This one is from Costco. It's the same time I bought the lemon. And this is why I bought this, because my wife loves grapefruit. For me, I can take it or leave it. But the problem I'm having right now, because it's the summer, it gets so hot, like maybe 104 sometimes. I start to burn up the leaves.
So how many did this produce? This was kind of like the lemon, right?
Right,
Right?
yeah.
First year was like 2.
Two. The
Next
first
year
was
1.
2, yeah.
Or maybe the reverse. Maybe they did the
Something
reverse.
like that.
But this year, how much? This is the
year
third
I
year.
see about maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, oh, about 12, 15. But what is happening because the summer is starting to burn up the leaf. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put an umbrella over it for this, maybe our next,
When the day gets hotter?
like, better I get it and put it right now.
Okay.
Let me go get it.
Tell them about the grapefruit though, like if you're on different medications.
Oh yeah, if you're on, what kind of medication is it?
I think cholesterol medication, but I think there's others too, like
Something
statins.
like
I think it's called
cholesterol
statins.
medication.
You can't eat
You
grapefruit.
can't eat grapefruit because it's gonna kill you.
I don't know about all that, but
I
they
don't know,
said
I'm
no.
only kidding that.
But thank God, none of us so far are on any kind of statins,
Yeah,
right?
so-
So we can enjoy. Now, is this the blood one?
What?
No, the grapefruit. Red inside again,
It's pink.
just like the orange.
Right, I like everything pink when it comes to fruit.
No. Let me ask a question.
Yeah.
Remember our cousin that lives in Utah used to like to boast about 2 things
What's that?
when she used to be on food stamp when the baby was young. The baby 18 now, so she hasn't been on that forever. She says, you know, you could buy birthday cake and fruit trees on food stamps, Barbara.
That's
And
what
fruit
she-
trees. But I like that idea that you can use EBT to buy fruit trees, because then you will eat forever, right?
That's a smart thing.
So check on that, guys. Now tell us about the pumpkin, because I really
Well,
feel
the
like these
pumpkin, because-
pumpkins are ready, because look, the leaves are
the way
dying.
The reason I planted this pumpkin, I had some pumpkin seed.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe like, I think it was like maybe 12 or so.
Okay, was that like, I don't want to say real pumpkin seed, but did you buy it from a packet, which that's real also? Did you get it from an actual pumpkin?
It's actual pumpkin. We bought a pumpkin. I think it was at Food for Less one time,
Uh-huh.
because we will make boil it for Evie,
Mm-hmm.
and I take out the
The seed.
seed
Uh-huh.
and I patch some of them for
Pepitos?
pepitos, we call it, but the pumpkin seed.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. That's the time I said, let me put some of these down here. I put 1, 2 at the time.
Wait, no, you planted last year, right? The first
Right, I
time?
planted like
2025.
right 4 seeds,
And we planted it in July when we came back from Belize,
something like that.
and the pumpkins were ready for Halloween.
Right, but but the seed wasn't ripe enough for the seed to get hard to replant.
To
It
do
was soft.
pepitos? Oh, we couldn't even replant?
Right. it was-
So where did you get these seeds? I thought it was from last year.
I mean, I had about maybe 6 more.
From the original set of
Right.
seeds. Oh, okay.
So I put 2 there, 2
Mhm.
here, and 2 over here.
Uh-huh.
But so far, this one is dying because of the heat.
Well, don't forget the one that was in the middle, that the possum. We think it's a possum that I'm still
Possum
mad.
Steve, one of my pumpkin when it was.
It was the size of the grapefruit. I
Yeah.
saw it. I had it on a video. And Joe told me it didn't exist.
So right now I'm gonna leave these sitting there. Like I was saying before, I just put it down and
And that's part of the reason why we can't plant nothing over there.
she messed us
See,
up.
she's destroying. Okay, go ahead.
I'll just throw these down here. So let's see if it's gonna grow. That's all.
So you didn't really dig a hole and plant, you just
I
threw
just
them?
let's just put a little pop in the dirt and put it in there. I wasn't looking for it to grow anyway, but here for the seed, I ain't gonna touch it right now. Maybe till in maybe December. Those next year we're cooking for the dog.
Okay.
And see, it still blossoms sometime here in there, but
Maybe more will come and then be ready in time for Halloween. Who knows?
it's gonna be hard because of the heat.
Well, we're going to get the
The
umbrella.
summer is messing it up. I find out that when the avocado is
This size,
this side,
I'm gone from bright green to dull olive, which it has done so far.
see,
It's time to pick it.
now see how the green is going away. Look, see, So I gotta wait to still not see. Down here, look and see, start down here. So when the top went up here, get like this, I think it's ready.
Let me go get the scale.
Every day I come out here, folks, I'm looking to see if I see another one, but I don't see no more. I gotta, like I tell you guys, I gotta clean up around here, but my weed whacker went out on me. So I'm gonna take my machete later and I go clean it. I'll show you guys when I finish how you're gonna look. That's what it is, folks. And then I put some, I think yeah, the last one was on my sweet potato. I'm gonna give this until October on my birthday. October the 12th is gonna be my birthday, and I'm gonna harvest my sweet potato. By that time, it's supposed to be enough. Give me at least about 5 months since I planted. So we'll see what we get. But look, it's crazy. It just keep on running the vine just all over the place. Stay still.
Yeah, come close. We got what?
11, 12,
12. Is that 12?
13, 14.
14 ounce?
Uh-huh.
Thereabouts. Okay. Okay. We say 14 ounce thereabouts because you have to set the scale down for it to be accurate. But the man said, pick one, put it on the counter for 5 to 14 days, then cut it open, and if you see it's not ready, because it's supposed to look creamy and has a small seed. What's the name of the avocado? This is not Haas.
Licky something.
What? Joe, what did you say? Joe, what did you say?
Villa something.
Joe, you're not even close.
What was it?
Pinkerton.
Oh, Pinkerton.
Pinkerton. We found that the paper was still on it this morning. I said, but we only have one. How in the heck we gonna test the one? Okay, tell them about this area, what you plan to do for the next episode. See what the dog does, right? She's gonna run right through everything that you do. If we don't put up some kind of fencing or put it in box and set it on top of something.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, I got a clip to show them at the end where you can see what that dog did. Gaia has come to visit since the last episode. Gaia the Doberman. And you should have seen him, Joe. You should have seen him.
I know. Is she do it? Dean better keep the dog home and then bring that dog here. I go.
What Joe say? That black, blah blah blah.
That black brown ass dog.
Joe, you can't cuss. So, but I saw Evie hiding in the bushes. Oh, Joe, we have the evidence. Stay to the end. I'll show you guys to the end.
Gaia. Okay, let her get up.